Hello, what is up guys, I'm your host Gordon and welcome to another one of my video. To those who string badminton rackets, I'm pretty sure some of you might experience situation where you sometimes accidentally cut your string. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to avoid it in the first place. So one of the most important process that we need to take notice is the string weaving process, because if you don't weave it properly, it will scar the string. Other than just scarring the string, it will cause something else such as string twisting when you put it on the machine, just like so. Okay, let's get the string weaving done. Okay, right now I would like you to focus at this part of the string. If you remain the string overlapping each other like that, it will definitely cause a cut. So what you need to do is to instantly correct it when you notice it. And ensure that the vertical string is able to move like this. So when you're about to reach the top during your weaving process, do remember to leave a gap at the top just like so, to prevent any string overlapping. And of course, you need to do this on both sides of the racket. It is very important to double check your work, so when you are putting your racket on the stringing machine, it is wise to check on both vertical and horizontal string. So if the string is able to move freely just like so, you are safe. Okay, to those who wanted to learn how to string a badminton racket from start to end, I will leave a link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. So when you almost come to the end of pulling the vertical string, you need to be very careful again at this part. Again, you will need to check at this point if there is any overlapping and see if the string is able to move freely. Okay, so far everything is going pretty smooth. Let us get this racket done and call it a day. So, are you all curious what is gonna happen if the string did overlap each other? Of course, I'm not gonna leave you hanging, I'm definitely going to show you. So let's say the horizontal string and the vertical string did actually overlap each other during the machine stringing process. You do not fight with it. What you need to do is to undo the horizontal string to prevent any further damage. Remember, during the pulling process, try not to pull it too fast. Pull it as slow as possible or else you could risk damaging the string. The worst thing it could happen, you will snap the vertical string, which is something definitely you don't want it to happen, or else you're going to have a bad day. So basically, after pulling out all the string until the overlapping part, just basically restrung the whole thing as usual and you are good to go. Okay guys, that is all for today. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, subscribe if you haven't already, do remember to ring the notification bell button for more upcoming video. And of course, I'm going to see you in the next video.